Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you'll enter to Drive app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on Force Stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store to update your app there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.